Good morning students. Welcome to EVS class. We are in chapter 2, Inside Our Body. We are learning about important internal organs in this chapter. In our previous video, we have already discussed about brain and heart. Now a short recapitulation of that part. Our body is made up of different types of organs. Organs are the parts in our body that has a particular functions. Organs are mainly two types: external organs and internal organs. Example of external organs are legs, hands, nose, ear, etc. And some important example of internal organs are brain, heart, lungs, stomach, liver, kidneys, bones and muscles. Brain and heart we have already discussed. Brain is a soft and delicate organ in our head which is protected by hard skull. It is the control center of the body and it controls all our activities. Brain receives the messages and sends out the signals through thread-like structure. They are called nerves. Heart is located inside our chest, a little to the left. The main function of heart is it pumps blood to all the parts of our body. Two types of blood vessels are connected with the heart. They are arteries and veins. Arteries are red colored blood vessels and they carry pure blood. Pure blood means blood which is rich with oxygen. They carry from heart to the different parts of the body, this pure blood. And veins, generally blue colored blood vessels, and they carry impure blood, means blood which is rich in carbon dioxide. It carries this impure blood to the heart from different parts of our body. This whole process called circulation of blood. Pure blood from heart to different parts of the body and impure blood from different parts of the body to heart. This process is called circulation of blood. Now move to next internal organ, that is lungs. Lungs are located on both sides of the heart. Lungs are located on both sides of the heart. They are like two spongy bags. Look at the picture. This is our lungs. They are like two spongy bags. Lungs help in taking in oxygen in our body. Now take a deep breath. All of you take a deep breath. When you breathe in or inhale, your chest gets slightly bigger, and when you exhale, means breathe out, it comes to the normal size, isn't it? But why? Let's find out the answer. We breathe in here through our nose or through our nostrils from here. Air travels down to the windpipe and enters our lung. This is windpipe. Air travels down to this windpipe and enter to our lungs, both lungs, right lungs, left lungs. This process is called inhalation. When air which is filled with oxygen enter in our lungs, it grow bigger or expand. Due to this inhale, lungs grow bigger or lungs get here. That's why it is called inhalation. The lungs contain blood capillaries. Look at here. There are small thread-like structure. They are called blood capillaries which absorb the oxygen from the air we breathe in. These capillaries absorb the oxygen. Then They transport the oxygen to the other parts of the body. But how? Through the blood. Blood helps to carry this oxygen to the different parts of the body. Okay. During this process, carbon dioxide is given out as waste material, which is brought back to the lungs again by blood. That means oxygen carried by blood to the different parts of our body, and carbon dioxide, which is produced in different parts of the body again come back to the lungs by blood, isn't it? Then we breathe out. When we breathe out, this carbon dioxide is pushed out by our lungs. Through windpipe, this carbon dioxide is pushed out through our lungs through windpipe and then nose. This process is called exhalation. Exhale occur, that's why it is called exhalation. Now, an important information. Human beings normally breathe in and breathe out about 15 times in 1 minute. Today, you will count it. Okay, 15 times in 1 minute. Breathe in and breathe out. Now one question. Do you know why small hair are present in our nose? The answer is the hair and the mucus that are present in our nose trap the dust particle and germs. They make the air we breathe in clean and safe for us. Now some tips from my side. Breathe correctly. Breathe in fresh air. Breathe through your nose, not your mouth. Keep the windows and doors open to let in fresh air. Don't cover your face while sleeping. Play outdoor games, but not now. This is lockdown period. Okay, that's all for lungs. Next video we will learn about stomach.